Luke Combs, Kicks 105.5. Good morning, I'm JJ. It's Wednesday, December 1st at 7:49. Currently 28 degrees outside. May have a little bit more snow coming on a little bit later. I'll have the weather forecast coming up at the top of the hour. But right now, we got Mike Bear from the Barrett Insurance Agency with us. Good morning, Mike.
Hey, good morning. How are you?
I am well.
Good. How was Thanksgiving?
It was actually uneventful, but good.
That's kind of what you want. That's called a good Thanksgiving. So
Right.
Good for you. Good for you.
I didn't have any in-laws.
That always
So
helps.
that kind of made it a lot better. So what are we going to talk about today? I had a question in mind.
Yeah.
I often hear insurance companies talking about bundles.
Oh yeah.
Tell me about a bundle. What is a bundle?
Isn't that a fun thing to say? Bundle. Somebody in a marketing department at Progressive, I suspect, decided, hey, let's talk about bundles. Let's bundle things and talk about the benefits of bundling. That's not new. That's nothing new. It's been around forever. Just hasn't been, marketed in the way that it is now. They put a name to it, I guess, is what I can say. We call it a number of things. So it can be called a bundle. It can be a package. It can be a multi-policy discount. And you want to know what it is? It's just a multi-policy discount. So if you have a homeowner's or a renter's insurance policy, and then you get an auto policy with the same company, you're going to get a credit on the homeowners or renters, and you're going to get a credit on your auto. Ta-da! Bundle. That's what it is. So it's still separate policies, but it's two policies with the same company. So they're marketing it as a bundle, encouraging you to have more than just one line of business with their company so they can give you the discount, but also so that you have more business with their company. That's really the marketing tool at play there. So is it always to your advantage to have all of your eggs in one basket, I guess we could say? So does it always make sense for you to have home, auto, boat, umbrella, snowmobile, motorcycle, secondary home, camp, what have you, all with the same company? Well, yeah, it can. It can be to your advantage. Is it always? No. So, the assumption is that it always will be. So they're hoping that people will just bundle and be happy with it. But there are times, and I have many clients that will say, look, while we quoted with everybody and it would make sense to go this route or this route, we actually found that the most optimal way to go was to have your home with this company and your auto over here with this other company. And maybe your boat made more sense over here. Your snowmobile made more sense over here. It's about leveraging your desire for ease of business and your desire for coverage and cost. Let's not forget, cost is a huge factor in the insurance world.
It is.
Yeah. So that's really what it all comes down to. So call it a bundle if you want, call it packaging if you want, call it a homeowner auto discount if you want. It's all the same. It's all the same. Just good marketing is what it is.
Absolutely. So do you customize bundles?
Yeah, you can go and do whatever you want. So the example I'll give is probably, since they're the ones that brought the term, let's go with Progressive. So we're a Progressive Platinum agency at Barrett Insurance. And what does that mean? As a Platinum insurance agency, we are appointed with Progressive to write their homeowner insurance product in Vermont, which not every agent has that ability to do. So we've been writing their auto and other lines of business like boats and snowmobiles and ATVs and motorcycles for eons, 20 plus years. This homeowner product in the world of insurance in Vermont is still very new. It's only been around for 4 or 5 years that we've been a Platinum agency. And if you have your auto and your home with Progressive, you can do a 12-month Progressive auto policy versus a 6-month auto policy with Progressive. Plus, there's some nice enhancements and additional coverages that they offer if you are putting your home and auto together. So it does give you some additional advantages, mostly opportunity for savings. But, to go from a 6-month auto policy to a 12-month auto policy, some people like the 12-month better. So to have your home with Progressive to get the 12-month may be a worthwhile opportunity for you. Pretty good thing.
So if I get a bundle, say, okay, let's use some of yours. I got homeowners or renters, in my case, auto and boat insurance.
Mm-hmm.
Now, either I sold the boat or it sunk, and I no longer need the boat insurance. Is there a penalty for dropping that?
No. So some companies do have a cancellation fee that's involved with the very first policy period. So let's say that today you went from one company, a separate company, doesn't matter who it is, to Progressive, and then maybe you get a 6-month policy, but 3 months from now you go, no, I'm not really happy here, I'm going to switch again. If you switch within the first policy term, there is a $50 cancellation fee. all that is $50 that's not coming back to you in the form of a refund if you've paid ahead. But most companies do not have that kind of a fee. Some do, and it's more of a nuisance fee to keep people from bouncing. You think there's people out there who want to register their car or get inspected. They're going to buy an insurance policy just to get what they need and then cancel it. That's really why that's in place. The second you renew, that goes away.
Oh, that's good to know.
Yeah.
That is good to know.
Yeah. There's a lot of fun things out there. So.
Oh, yes. Okay, so since we already brought it up, let's touch on homeowners insurance.
Yeah, so homeowners insurance, just a quick tidbit this morning. It is the season of giving and receiving. And, as you are adding personal property, and this can go more for the renters insurance people out there, because if you have a homeowner's policy, your personal property is really dictated as a percentage, whether it be 50, 70, or 85% of the limit of coverage you have in your house. But as a renter, you're picking that coverage. So this is the time of year, especially for renters, to go, okay, well, if I have a family and we're adding this in personal property, where maybe we got a new television for the kids, or maybe we got a new Xbox for the kids, or what have you, make sure you have enough coverage and make sure that you understand your coverage. And we can get into that more over the next couple of weeks.
Absolutely. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll make a note to myself on that.
Good.
I'm running out of questions.
That's all right. I'll try to remember that too. And also, before we wrap it up today, we do have our Christmas tree up at our office. Every year we collect toys for the Santa Fund here in St. Johnsbury. Of course, a collaboration of the fire department and the Caledonian Record that gives to the needy families dinners and toys and everything to make sure nobody goes without for Christmas. Absolutely love being a part of that. So we're doing that again this year. So we are accepting toy drop-offs at our office.
Wow, I didn't know that. That's awesome.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, we're also having our 31st annual food drive coming up on December 11th.
Very good. Very good. That's good to hear.
Yeah, and certainly encourage people to do that and to visit your office and drop off some toys.
Absolutely. Absolutely. We just love doing it. So it's the good thing to do. And if you want to give us a call, learn more about it, you can give us a call at 748-5224. You can find us on Portland Street in St. Johnsbury, online, thebarrettagency.com, and, of course, Google, Facebook, and YouTube. Just look for Barrett Insurance Agency.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Mike, and hope you have a great rest of your week. I will see you again before Christmas.
Absolutely.
I'm not going to say Merry Christmas yet.
Not yet.
but it is the season.
It is the season. Absolutely. So have a great day. Stay well.
I will, and we will talk to you again next week.